Hello guys, it's Mr. ROSSii 1990 here, and I'm just going to show you a little pack opening I have in store for you. Okay, I'm going to be opening 3 silver packs. These silver packs. Off we go. Hopefully get some decent players. Okay. Not really anything good at all, to be honest. Let's have a look in here. Rubbish badge. Try and collect them all. They're like Pokemon. No idea who he is. Send him to the trade. Rubbish. Keep it some contracts. Sell that one. Spanish left back. No, doubt it. Quite a nice kit. Horrible kit, keep it anyway. Might sell, who knows. And they are shocking. Discard. Thank you for your time. Okay, moving on to another one. Watch this out just to see if it brings any luck at all. Doubt it. Okay, well, would you look at that? I am in fact a Leeds United fan, so that is absolutely amazing. I'm going to keep that. Brilliant shirt. Love him. Boca Juniors shirt, quite nice there as well. What have we got here? Contract, who knows, might get a couple of coinage. Depends. You don't look like you'll sell. Rubbish. Ugh, no. Not too sure what I got, so I'll activate that anyway. Keep all of the kits. Absolutely shocking pack, apart from the beautiful lead shirt. Alright, moving on to one more pack. Here we go. Fingers crossed. Might get a lucky inform, like Kill Hollywood. Or not. That is a terrible pack if I've ever seen one. Right. That will sell, definitely. Morale. Maybe that'll sell. No. Might as well just fill up my trade. He's terrible. Quite a nice kit. Looks a bit like Newcastle, not too bad. Some South Korean. Basic kit. The contract. We will discard them and we will try our luck, I reckon, with one gold pack. What kind of packs do we have out at the moment? Jumbo. Let's give it a go. Fingers crossed, people. See what we get here. Inform. No. Right. That looks terrible from there, but we'll have a little look here. We got a Carlos Quayosh. We'll try and trade him. Might get a little bit for him. No good players at all. Sao Paulo badge. Jinx. Freaking trade it away, please. Sell the contracts. I'll keep that one actually. Probably up. The Man Mountain himself. No. Gillette. Got a duplicate. Mikel Veloso. Manager, send it away. Always get a little bit for contracts, you might as well get rid of them. Quite a few players in this pack, no one really any good. Sabaleta, Liverpool shirt, not too bad. Quite a lot of players in this pack actually, but not really what we were looking for. Anything else before I discard? Keep a bit of a fitness card just in case. Let's take that crappy stadium. 532 player card, possibly a couple hundred coins. Might be able to sell that and just recoup some coins with that. There we go. Oh, what the hell, one more silver pack. Somebody good. jokes. No idea, looks like a queer. Terrible pack. Suppose it's not happy hour, so what was I expecting? Get a little bit of coinage for that and that. Another kit out of my collection. I might get like 150 coins for that. Matt Jokes, who knows? Keep him, add a little bit of speed to my club. We'll try and sell Jokes. And that will be all. Discard the rest of them for this episode. I will be bringing some more content in the near future. As per usual, I'm on PS3. Add me. I have hardly any friends at all at the moment. As it goes. So yeah, thank you, and please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.